This video is going to demonstrate how to update a table of contents. Anytime you create a report, you may want to cut information from the report, add information to the report, move information in the report into different areas. And anytime you do this, you have to update your table of contents to reflect those changes in your document. On page 352, Application Assignment 72D2 has us do some changes to this document, and then we're going to update our table of contents. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to highlight conversion from paper to electronic forms, the side heading, and the text that goes with it. We're going to cut it. You can either go to the home ribbon and cut, or you could right-click and cut. We're going to go right in front of existing systems. If there's not a paragraph mark there, you would hit enter to add that paragraph mark. We can go into our clipboard and paste it. Now there is an extra paragraph mark, so make sure you delete that out. We're going to make a change to the title, Forms Inventory. We're going to add Implementation. So now we have just made 2 changes to our document, so we need to reflect those changes in our table of contents. We are going to click inside the table of contents, go to Update Table, and we have 2 choices, Update Page Numbering Only or Update Entire Table. We are going to update the entire table because we moved the side headings and the text and we added text. Click OK, and voila, it moved conversion from paper to electronic forms from page 2 to page 1, and it added our implementation in there. So it did make the changes to the document. Now we want to add some of the items that are in the preliminary pages to our table of contents. The one that we want to enter is a letter of transmittal. So to do that, you have to manually do it because remember, Word goes out and picks up the side headings and paragraph headings, which would be heading style 1, heading style 2, to put into our table of contents. So we need those side headings to create the table of contents. I'm going to put my cursor in front of conversion, and I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to go ahead and key in letter of transmittal. Hit my tab key, and the letter of transmittal is on page 2, and we want to use lowercase Roman numerals, and we're going to add that in, and then we're going to go down and we're going to add our executive summary in. So you're going to put your cursor again in front of conversion. You would the tendency would be to hit enter after the 2, but if you do that, it does not put that leader dot tab in there. So I'm going to hit enter, key in executive summary, hit my tab key, and the executive summary is on page 4. So I have to manually key that in. And you've just updated your table of contents.